I'm going to show you a really cool, genius aluminum foil trick that's going to save you so much time and so much money. How do you typically close your chip bags or your freezer bags? You hope to God that your freezer bag stays shut while it's rummaging around in your freezer. When you close your chip bags, these are great grip sticks. Or maybe you do something like this. You take your bag, you go like this, you roll it down, and then you clip it, and then you hope for the best. Or maybe you take one of these, or you take a clothespin, and then you go like this. Well, what if you don't eat the items in your bag, your container quick enough? This is gonna get dry as all get out. I'm gonna show you a foolproof 100% way to seal your bags. By the way, this is absolutely delicious. So good. Want to try one? Now you can do this little trick with an iron if you do not have a flat iron laying around, but most people don't have an iron like this in their kitchen. But I wanted to show you two different ways to do this. What you're going to do is you're going to take your Reynolds wrap, you're going to tear out a little piece, tuck your lid in. By the way, did you know this is the best way to tear your Reynolds wrap is put that in there. Now you're going to take your bag, and depending upon the part that you want to seal, you're going to go ahead and wrap this in your aluminum foil just like that. I like to do 2 layers if I can. Now you want to be sure that you do not put the heat on the plastic, otherwise it's going to stick to whatever tool that you are using. And you're just going to go ahead along the aluminum foil and go across your bag that you can see right here. And then you're gonna let that cool. Once it's completely cooled, you're gonna go ahead and easily take off your tin foil. Sometimes it's a bit stickier than others. Let's go ahead and peel this off right here. And you can see that our bag is completely airtight sealed right here. Nothing, no air is getting in that. A little helpful tip here, make sure you get all the air out ahead of time. I mean, I cannot even open this sucker. Let me show you another little trick. If you don't love this option, here is an alternative for you. Nothing is sponsored. This is fun. It's super cool. It's got a clip on it. There's 2 sides to this. We got a sharp pointy side, and then we have a heated side. This just runs by battery. That way you do not have to keep a flat iron in your kitchen or an iron. You're just gonna use this to open up your bag here, which is really nice. And then I can prove to you that this is still shut completely. So I'm gonna have to go down a little bit further here and cut that open. Now that we got that nice and open, you're just gonna take your other side right here, and you're gonna go ahead and go along the side, squeezing. It creates a nice little heat and pressure. Make sure that you get all sides. You can go over it again just to make sure that it is completely sealed. I love the DIY option, but this little tool is also really handy. And then you can see right here, again, this is completely shut and air sealed. If you notice, you can see here I missed a little spot. All you have to do is take your tool, and then you're just gonna go over that part where you missed, and it will be airtight and sealed. You never have to worry about a chip clip again, my friend. And look at that. Sealed, sealed, sealed. Yummy, yummy, yummy. If you want to see another cool bag trick, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.